Assalamualaikum. Hello everyone. So in this video, I will be explaining about data types. And some of the data types might be new to you, hence I will be explaining it briefly. So let's begin. If you remember, variables must have these two things, which is data type and also name. So data type is the kind of data the variables can hold. For example, like, can this variable hold a number, or can this variable hold a text?
A data type refers to an extensive system used for declaring variables or functions of different types. The type of a variable determines how much space it occupies in storage and how the bit pattern stored is interpreted. In data types, there are two types of data types. One is primitive data types and the other is non-primitive data types. In this topic, I will be focusing on primitive data types only, and it contains integer, short, byte, long, char, float, double, and boolean. So, primitive data types is a data type that is built into a programming language, or one could be characterized as a basic structure for building more sophisticated data types.
The first data type is Boolean and character, or it is also known as char.
So, a boolean is true or false. For example, is chili spicy? So when you give them value, you can put it as true, or you can also opt for false. And don't put it in between of double quotation because this is a string. So this is a boolean false and this is a string false. And string is a group of characters like this. How about char? Char is a character. It is a single character like this. So C is a single character.
The next data type is integer, short, byte, and long, and I will be explaining these four data types simultaneously because they are just a type of integers.
Integer I is 6 and it can store up to 4 bytes, while short, it can store up to 2 bytes. So from here, you know that short is 2 times smaller than integer, and it ranges from -3 to 768 to 3 to 767. So, if the number is within this range, you can use short instead. Byte B is 5. Byte is also a type of data which takes only 1 byte. So, just like short, byte is used to save memory as well. And its minimum number is -128, while its maximum number is 127. Let's say if you put byte bi equals to 128, you will get an error. Why? Because 128 is larger than its maximum number. Long L is this number, and you need to end it with a capital L to specify whatever value that you are assigning. It is a long type of value, and also to tell the compiler that a number is a long, and it is also 8 bytes since it stores large number. Float and double are numbers that have a decimal point, just like 4.5, 1.0, and 100.61. Float F is 30.5. Similar with long, you need to end it with F. Double D is 20.5. Unlike in float, you don't need to put anything at the end. In most cases, the programmers usually use double instead of float for some specific reason, so it should not be a problem if you use double regularly. There are definitely more detailed information for each of the data types. Nonetheless, I only managed to explain it briefly. I apologize for my shortcomings and hoping you have benefited something from this video. Perhaps if you still have doubts on this topic, Feel free to watch other YouTube videos. Bye!